In the last class we have covered all the points, that means all the features. Now we are getting into our activity. What we have to learn in this chapter? For creating a banner for what? Kudumbasri. For Kudumbasri, they are starting a coffee shop and we have to create a banner. So we are entering into our activities. For completing that banner, we have to do 6 activities. How many activities? 6 activities. The first activity is drawing a saucer. You know what is saucer? Cup and saucer. That plate is called saucer. Then drawing a cup. Then drawing steam rising up out of the hot cup of coffee. Then we have to create text in a curve. You have to create the text in a curve shape you have to make it. Then logo to PNG format. You have to convert your logo to PNG format. Then the last is creating banner. We will group all these and create the banner. Okay. You have to handle these 6 activities. Very easy to learn because we have learned all the features. Okay. Today we will be learning the first activity, that is drawing a saucer. Let's move on to the computer.
Welcome to practical section. Today we are starting our activity. The first activity we are going to learn is drawing a saucer. Application graphics, Inkscape Vector Graphics Editor. Now we are moving to the first activity, that is drawing the saucer. For that, first you have to select circle, ellipse and arcs tool, that is the circle tool. You are aware of it. Then draw a horizontal circle. This is an horizontal oval shape, isn't it? Draw a horizontal oval shape. As we are drawing a saucer, you know the shape of the saucer. To create that shape, we are drawing an oval shape which is horizontal. Okay. After that, you have to give a stroke color. Stroke means the boundary, the outline. How will you give the outline? We have learned it. Object, fill and stroke. Write the lecture note. Then after that, in stroke paint, you have to select a color. Then click on stroke style and change the width. Yes, giving a dark color to it. Okay. Yes. After that, give a gradient color. How will you give gradient effect? Gradient tool is available in the toolbox. Here it is. Create and edit gradient tool. Select that. And in the tools control bar, there are 2 gradient effects. Linear gradient and radial gradient. This also we learned. Select the radial gradient. Then double click on the circle. See, now the 3 nodes appears. At the edge select a darker color and at the center select the white color to give the effect. Okay, after using the gradient color gradient tool, what you have to do, at the center give a lighter color to give that effect. See the effect? Yes. Now we are drawing a concentric circle. That means I want to create one more circle at the center by creating a concentric. How will you create a concentric circle? The last activity we learned it. Right click, duplicate. A duplicate is created over this, isn't it? Using the shift and control key pressed together, ഷിഫ്റ്റും കൺട്രോളും ഒരുമിച്ച് പ്രസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് arrow key you have to drag it to the center. Okay, got it? Yes, what did I said? What did I did? I created a duplicate. After that, press the shift and control key together and drag this to the center. Drag the arrow to the center. Now I am going to select both the circles and going to group it. Why I am grouping? Otherwise it will be two objects, isn't it? Object, group, object, group. Now it is a single object. See? Yes. To get the shape, I want a circle here at the bottom. You have seen the saucer at your home. Taking the circle tool, you see, when I use the circle tool, I got a ring like this. That means stroke is also there. Yes. Placing it here. When I place here, see, it is over the first figure. I want to make it below this bigger round. What I have to do is, we have learned one feature, that is object lower to bottom. Lower to bottom. Okay. See, we got the figure. Now I have to group these two. How will you group? Select both the circles, object, group. Now our saucer is ready. See? Yes, our activity is over. This is the way for creating the saucer. What are the features we used? The object fill and stroke. Then we created the concentric circle. Then we use object lower to bottom. And we created this saucer. Thank you, children. In the next class, we will be creating a cup. Okay. See you in the next class.